How to lock, hide, and unhide an app on iPhone or iPad. So the process is same for the iPhone or iPad. You can simply follow this. Now, first of all, let me start with locking the app. Let me begin with the Temu app. Long press on it, then you can see require Face ID option available there. Tap on it and confirm the required Face ID. Now, whenever you open the Temu app, you will be asked for your Face ID verification. If you are using the Touch ID or any other version of iPhone, then they will ask for the Touch ID or the iPhone passcode. Now, in order to hide, all you have to do is long press on the Temu app again, and you will get to see remove app option available there and tap on it. Now, once you tap on the remove app, all you have to do is tap on the remove from home screen option available there. Tap on it. Now, as you can see, the app has been hidden from your home screen. There is nowhere to find. Now, how do you unhide it? All you have to do is swipe right unless you find the app library on your iPhone. Inside app library, look for the Temu app and long press on it. You will get to see all the app available here in your iPhone and drag and drop wherever you want to place it on your home screen. I want to place it as before. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.